Hi guys, welcome back to the channel of the 24 days of Hackmas with Katie. Slightly different environment for me today, and this is all part of my Hackmas, is try and get a night away if you can, to just avoid all the stress and strain that Christmas seems to bring upon us every year. It's as if we're not expecting it, and then randomly it just magically appears at the end of the year, and it's as if we're surprised by it. We've managed to escape away for the weekend to our gorgeous little caravan. So I'm here, we've got all the moods going, and we're just having a dead chilled weekend. So I hope you guys are managing to find some times for yourselves as well. And yeah, just try and have a bit of a break. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and leave me a cheeky little comment below if you want to say hi and tell me what your Hackmas tricks are this year.